Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to FTT video update. Today is gonna be 17th of November, and right now we're trading at 1.660. We came down to 1.2, bounce off the 1.2 and try to move up. So before we go down all the way to 0.242, which is actually a technical target of FTT, you can see that's still a 85% drop pending to the downside, so you got to be careful. Could be a good idea maybe to try to buy like $50 down here. Maybe you can get lucky in the future. I did actually a mathematical calculation for you. If you end up buying $100 of 0.242 FTT and it goes back to its all-time high of $80, that's you're gonna have like $100,000 in profit just for $100, by the way. So that makes it $50,000 for buying $50. I think it's a no-brainer. Imagine getting $20,000 just buying $20 here. Amazing. Sounds awesome. Why not? You can try. So the thing is, you know, by even losing $20 won't like eat your brain for it's not gonna hunt you for the rest of your life. But currently at the moment, I do see this little bit of a pennant coming into play right there, and you're breaking out of that pennant. So from the top here to the bottom right now, we're looking for this thing to continue down to, and the first target is gonna be 0.630, and at least for now you're looking for 61% drop, and maybe bounce off a little bit back to 1.2, maybe go back up to 1.4 again, and then move lower, because the scenario is going to be like this. Who knows, you can just crash all the way down. No guarantees. If it turns out that there's a bad news or anything, then they're going to sell it off really badly, just like the same way we had this sudden sell off right over here. We could have another sell off right over there again. So that's pretty much it for this update on FTT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.